What's up, everybody? VOP Flash here with UFO Shufflers. Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm gonna show you all a spin real quick, okay? It's gonna be tiptoe, spin. Every time you come up, shrug and tip, okay? So whatever way you start Melbourne, cut shapes, however you do your jazz, when you go into it. Okay, so every time you do that, tiptoe, 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 tiptoe and up. You see this, but at the same time, so you can get that momentum, and then if you want to add a spin, jump, and from there you can be doing cool. So yeah, hope that helps. Tips and tricks Tuesday. Remember, tip, 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 toe.